Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit custard. First, gather your ingredients including milk, sugar, custard powder, and a variety of fresh fruits. You'll want about 1 liter of milk and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Make sure your fruits are washed and ready to be chopped. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard base. Start by heating about 750 milliliters of milk in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. In a separate bowl, whisk together 250 milliliters of cold milk with 2 tablespoons of custard powder until there are no lumps. Slowly pour this mixture into the hot milk, stirring constantly. Continue to cook and stir until the custard thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 3 to 5 minutes.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making fruit custard, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Your support really helps us out. On another note, if you're looking to bring your space to life, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite cooking music or setting timers while you're in the kitchen. You can find the link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your custard is cooked, it's crucial to let it cool down completely before adding any fruit. This prevents the fruit from becoming mushy. While it cools, chop your chosen fruits into small, manageable pieces. Think about a colorful mix, perhaps 1 cup of apples, 1 cup of bananas, and half a cup of grapes. Once the custard is cool, gently fold in all the chopped fruits. Be careful not to overmix, as we want the fruit to retain its texture. After mixing in the fruits, transfer your delicious fruit custard into a nice serving bowl or individual dessert glasses. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap, making sure the wrap touches the surface of the custard to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate the custard for at least 2 hours or even overnight to allow the flavors to meld and the custard to set perfectly. Serve it chilled for the best taste, perhaps with a little garnish on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.